And on we'll go. Okay, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you guys can see from the title, basically I moved from Pennsylvania to Los Angeles, and now I need help decorating my room because my room is crazy. Whoa, the lighting is changing. The reason why I'm here in this corner is because I've been battling the sunlight. The sun is so, I have this beautiful big window here, but it's so harsh. The lighting is just so incredibly harsh. It like depends on where you are. For the most part, I have like the foundation of my room done. I have like the furniture, my bed, all of that stuff all built and placed where I think I want them, but I just really need some decor because it's just very empty. I'll show you guys in a minute. It's just very empty right now, and I definitely need some help. I want your guys' opinion, so I'm going to be letting you guys decorate my room, and whatever you guys vote on is what's happening. I'm a little nervous, but I also know that you guys have really awesome style, so it's like I'm nervous because I want to make sure that I like it, but at the same time, like no matter what, I think it's still going to look cute. I do want to go ahead and give a big shout out to Lull for sponsoring today's video. I could not have done it without them. This has just been a very stressful move, and like Lull made the whole bed situation not stressful at all. Nothing is easier than having, I'm not even kidding you guys, a bed delivered in a box to your door. Like, it's insane. Basically, it's like rolled up, like imagine a mattress rolled up, vacuum sealed, shoved into a tiny little box, and like delivered to your doorstep. Like, it doesn't get any easier than that. This is what the mattress looks like. I know I'm battling the sunlight right now. It's a little bit crazy. I am so happy with it. It's memory foam and it's super, super comfortable. Nothing is easier than just not even having to worry about your mattress. You tell them when you want it to be delivered. It's delivered right to your doorstep. The setup process is even easier. All you have to do is literally just take it out of the box and let it air out. It's memory foam and honestly so comfortable. I've been sleeping on this for the last week and I am so grateful for it. If you guys are moving or honestly just want to change, you know, you want a new mattress, I would definitely recommend that you check out Lull. They offer free shipping, free returns, and a 100-night trial. If you guys want to save $150 off your next mattress, use my coupon code down below in the description box. Once again, that is $150 that you can save on your next mattress. And like I said, like I just owe Lull a huge thank you. I didn't have to worry about, you know, driving to the store, trying to get my mattress like somehow from a store. Here, I didn't have to try out mattresses. You know, it just comes in a box to my doorstep. I couldn't have done it without you guys. Made it so easy. So once again, thank you guys so much at Lull. I really appreciate you. And now back to the video. Okay, so how this video is going to work is basically, right now I'm going to show you what my room looks like. It's very plain, it's very basic. Please don't judge me at all. I do have a few decorations up, but not a major amount. Like I said, it's just pretty plain and pretty boring. I'm going to be asking you guys a series of questions of what you guys think when it comes to decorating, and whatever you guys decide is kind of just what I'm gonna go with. I was debating on whether or not I would go to Target like now and just buy the stuff, but I want it to sit for like a full 24 hours. I'm gonna order the stuff and then I'm going to give a grand reveal at the end of this video to show you guys what my room looks like. This is what it looks like right now. When you walk in, here is just my desk. Like I said, pretty just like, I don't know, it's just so plain. It needs some decorations. I do have these up here, which I need a little bit of help on what exactly is gonna go up here. I have this little plant that I thought was cute. Here is my full-length mirror. I have my tripod chilling here. I have this little storage unit that's for makeup. I have my Lull mattress, and then I just have like a dresser, and that's about it. I also have this little thing up here. I thought that this was so cute. I love this. I just got done posting all of my Instagram stories, so these are the ones that I have. I asked you guys whether I should have pops of pink or pops of blue, and pink won. So now all of my other stories have to kind of go off like accents of pink. Then I asked you guys what lamp I should get. I also asked you guys what rug I should get, whether I should get like a really big rug that's like 8 by 10, or if I should get one that's kind of like a tiny little like fur white one. I also asked you guys if I should get real plants or fake plants, because if you guys know me at all, like I am not one to keep plants alive or take care of them. And then I have these 5 pillows here, so I was like, do I get pink and brown, or do I just keep it black and white? I also have like a pink throw, and I also have like a fur like white one. So I was trying to see which one you guys think I should use. I also have this like I don't even know what it's called. It's like a golden grid thing, and I can't decide if I want to put quotes or if I want to put pictures on it. I took a picture of my drapes because I can't decide if I want to keep them long or if I want to trim them. And those are all of the questions that I asked you guys. I really want to wait and see until tomorrow, and then I'm going to go ahead and order them, and I'll be back. I want to see just what you guys say, and then we'll just kind of go from there. Okay guys, so it has been a few days since I let you vote on my Instagram story. I had heard what you guys had to say. I ordered some stuff online, and I spent all day yesterday just, you know, decorating. I think it looks really good, so I'm really excited to share it with you. The very first thing that I actually had you guys vote on is probably the most important. So I asked you guys if I should have pops of pink in my room or if I should have pops of blue. And what actually won was pops of pink. So as you can see, I have like these little accents all throughout my room, and as we keep showing you the room, I think you're gonna see that. Just little tiny pops of like, you know, like a pink mug, or like I like have this out. Like I could easily have this like down in my makeup drawer, but I have this sitting out because it's really cute. I also have like a pink Bible over here and a pink like picture frame. And skipping over to my bed, I asked you guys if I should have a pink rug, like a pink throw blanket, or if I should have a fur one. And you guys picked the pink one, which actually worked out perfectly because I also have these pillows here. And so I asked you guys if I should have more of like a black and white pillow design, or if I should have these ones right here. So it was like pink and then brown, and what ended up being perfect is like this kind of works as like the accents of pink, which is great. And then I put these, this wasn't really a voting thing, but I had these pillows anyway, so I just thought I would put these in like a little, just like a little basket thing there, and I think it's really pretty. And it's like wicker, I think that's what it's called, which basically is just like wooden, I don't know, it's very boho, and I really like the way that it looks. I asked you guys if I should get this white lamp or if I should get this more like wooden espresso colored lamp, and what actually ended up winning was the white one. But I thought since we were doing pops of pink that I would actually change it and kind of have this pink one. It's the exact same kind, just a different color, and I really like the way that it looks. For the rug, I asked you guys if I should have like a really big boho rug, which I think would look really good in here, or if I should have just like a little simple like sheepskin one. I definitely love this one. I got this for like $15 from Target. Over here, I asked you guys, because I wanted some sort of a drape, and I asked you guys if I should leave it long or if I should like cut it to the length of the window. And you guys just said leave it long. Actually, 881 of you said just leave it long. So I guess that's just what we're doing. I kind of want to get like clips here. I know it's probably really hard to see with the lighting, but I kind of want to get some sort of like clip or some sort of like hair tie to put here. I don't know, so it's not just like dangling there.
You can get command hooks.
Oh wait, how does that work?
You just put a command hook on the edge, and then you can open them and hook them with the command hook.
That's genius. Okay, yes, actually, so I stand corrected. I will get command hooks because I love that. So right behind me, I had this thing here, and I had no idea what the heck to do with it. I was like, do I put quotes? Do I put pictures? This is the one where like I haven't finished decorating because these are super old, and I actually want to like print out quotes and like kind of like make it look good, kind of have a theme going for it, but I don't have like new photos, so I definitely want to work on this and try to print out some photos from like CVS or something of like more recent photos, because this is from like my 21st birthday and these are all from college, so I actually want, I don't know, like some of my roommates and stuff like that. And the very last thing that I asked you guys is whether or not I should get real plants or if I should get fake plants. And if any of you guys know me whatsoever, you know that I do not do well with like taking care of things. That's why I don't have a dog, that's why I don't have an animal, and that's also why I don't take care of plants, because they would totally die. And it's so funny that you guys picked up on that. You were like, if Courtney had to take care of real plants, like they would die. And I think that's hilarious. Not hilarious that they die, but hilarious that you guys know me well enough. I got these really pretty like boho plants. I love them so much. I think it adds such a nice touch. I also have, if we turn around this way, I also have one here. Like I said, I need to get some photos here because I don't have like any photos, like more like current photos, if that makes sense. But anywho, I have this fake plant here. And then I also have 2 of these fake plants up here. Actually, Chrissy, who's behind the camera, actually helped me out with this a lot, just making this look nice. This shelf here was literally just chilling in my roommate's like trunk. Like that was awesome. And I got this mirror here from like Goodwill, so that was perfect. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to go ahead, give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below. And also, I do a lot of these like letting my Instagram followers blank. So if you guys want to be a part of them, or if you ever want to be, sometimes I even just do like Q&As, or I did letting my Instagram followers turn me into a VSCO girl, where I just like let you guys just tell me like what a VSCO girl was. So if you guys ever want to be a part of that, feel free to check out my Instagram and like give me a follow. I also try to DM you guys as much as I possibly can, so that is a super easy way to get a hold of me if that's something, I don't know, if you just want to chat or if you just want to be friends. I would love that. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like I said, give it a big thumbs up and I will see you guys later. Bye.